Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Decoder Stain. So today we are going to see multivibrators. What are multivibrators? Multivibrators are nothing but the circuit which going to change its states when the triggering is going to be happen. So what do you mean by triggering? Triggering is nothing but the force, the kind of event that should occur, then only the circuit is going to change its state. So on the basis of that, there we have three types of multivibrators. First one is bistable multivibrator. Second one is monostable multivibrator. Third one is astable multivibrator. We are going to see one by one what are those. Okay. So first one is bistable multivibrator. Bistable multivibrator. Okay. As name suggests, bistable. Bi means two. In binary state, there are two states, right? 0 or 1. So bi means it will be stable at both the state. Okay, it will be stable for both the states. Both the states. Okay, both the states mean 0 or 1. Okay, suppose your initial state is 0. Okay, suppose initial state is your 0. When triggering or happen, what is triggering? As I told at the beginning of the video only, triggering is nothing but a kind of force, a kind of event that should occur. Then only the circuit is going to change its state. Okay, when triggering happen, then it goes to its next state. It will be 0 or 1. If triggering happen to 0, then it goes to its next state as 1. Okay, if your state is now 1, now the triggering happen. If trigger happen, then it should change its state from 1 to 0. Okay, so as we have seen, when circuit is going to change its state, when the triggering is going to happen. So the bistable multivibrator is stable at both the state. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. Next one is our monostable multivibrator. Okay, monostable multivibrator. As name suggests, mono is nothing but only one of the stable state going to be there. Okay, suppose our stable state is 0. Okay, we'll write its definition. It will be stable for one of the state. It may be 0 or 1. Okay, the circuit which is going to stable for only one of the state, that will be 0 or 1. Okay, so suppose 0 is your stable state. 0 is your stable state. Okay, once you trigger this, it is going to change its state. It is going to go from 0 to 1. Okay, this is your state what you got in first triggering. Without any triggering, after some time, without triggering, the circuit is going to change its state. It is going to come at 0. Okay, because 0 we considered as stable state, right? So there is no any requirement of triggering at all. If it is at one state, it will automatically come to at 0 after some time. So this is a monostable multivibrator. Hope it is clear to you all. Next one is our astable multivibrator. Okay, So we are going to see what is astable multivibrator. The name says like astable. Astable is nothing but which is not stable at all in both the state. Okay, the circuit which is not stable at any of the state, that may be 1 or 0, that is known as astable multivibrator. Okay, so suppose initial state is 0. Okay, if you trigger or not trigger to it, it will change its state. It don't care about whether we are giving its triggering or not. Okay, after some time, after some time, it is going to change its state 0 to 1. Again, it is going to change its state after some time. So it is not going to be stable at one state. Okay, like that, it is going to keep on changing its state. Hope it is clear to you all. So what we have seen in this video in the sense, we have seen what is multivibrator and what are the types of multivibrators are present over there. First one is bistable multivibrator. Second one is monostable multivibrator. Third one is astable multivibrator. We are going to see next concept of it in next video. So till that, okay, bye. Thank you.